God, as you don't enter this new month like this, Kai! If person fit just see 2 million naira pick for grand now. Oh! Say maybe the thing you fall for person pocket, the person no know. Oh! Let me say life don't set be that. Kai! How you carry the money, eh? How you go buy correct soft pomo with like 1.2 million? Chai! No this kind of pomo with the soft. With the use pepper, they suffer. We such the shop like this, eh? Katako they come out for your nose. You go the sweat like he go to get this entry. Kai! Those kind of pomo with the food like back of RM the head. How you go use the change? The remaining change they go buy one kind cool Percy. They flush and down. As I drink like this, eh? He go the rien for my belly. As I shop and finish. If I perish, I perish. Chai! God. This life, sha. I wish Dangote just bomb me now. Say just put me in charge of the sugar factory. Now be say life don't sweet with that. I'll just carry like 50 bags of sugar. Go house. How do you use that to go so correct Ijebu gari? All those gari with those sour. Will be such you put up for mouth like this, eh? He go fair give you like 3 correct slap. You go yeah hit tower. That one just soak out with cold water, couple milk. That can make with the thick. We be like kata with the old. That one now, your follower with all those big housey granite. As I drink that one finish, if I perish, I perish. Chai! God, this life, sha. I wish I be Jay-Z now. Say I me get $1 billion for my account. Now be say life don't settle be that. Kai! How you fit travel go Ghana, go flex correct Ghana jollof. Then how come use like $100K take buy take away carry come Nigeria come flex. Kai! Then I just follow with all those kind sweet goat meat. That what they call asun. Kai! Then I go fence around with all those soft, ripe dodo. All those dodo where they make fege, like weak erection. Kai! Then I go wash her down with what kind of cold Percy. All those kind of Percy where they say, as you drink and finish, your esophagus go they shock you. Then as I flex and finish, if I perish, I perish. God, as I don't play this naira bet finish so. I wish I could just use this 100 naira. They win like 72 million naira now. Kai! Now be say life don't balance with that. How just use the 2 million naira on top. They buy correct whole father rice. Chai! All those rice where they put inside leaf. Where we say if you leave and small, the smell for the leaf go can't enter the rice. The rice go can't get body odor. Now that one I believe they call Izev Yoko. Then how just follow her with correct pepper stew. All those Yoruba pepper stew where they red like mezes. Then how do you use 6 million naira? They buy correct assorted meat. Kai! Where they get shaki, ring, mende, guanguan. All of them go just they do family meeting inside. Then how do you wash them down with one cold? God, this life, sha. If I think just get the opportunity to take contest for this big brother Nigeria where they come up so. Say, I can mistakenly win the 45 million naira. Now be say life don't set with that. How do I use like 2 million naira? Take flesh correct ram suya. You know those ram where they big, where their voice they strong, like Don Jazzy own. Where we say, if they cry today, for we all those small goats today, he go be like when Don Jazzy, they back up for Rema. I can one, how just slaughter ram. You throw me inside fire, like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Then I go scrape the body, go the shine like Two-Face Bololo. Then I go slice fresh tomatoes and onions on top. Take decorate them. The thing go come fine like woman who just they come out for salute. Then I go wash them down with one cold Percy. As I flex and finish, if I perish, I perish. God, this life, sha. I wish person just mistakenly transfer like 8 million naira enter my account now. Say the person don't know. And I be say life don't set with that. I just use like 2.5 million. They buy correct catfish pepper soup. Ew! All those points and key. Chai! That kind of fish will be say, as you just point your accusing finger against them, bah! They don't slaughter and give you. Ew! All those fish where they draw, where they make mie, like all those lake queens. Ew! That kind one, just follow on with one kind fresh palm wine. Ew! All those palm wine where they come today, where they sweet. Kai! Where be say, as you want drink like this, you and fly go they struggle, who go drink remain for each other. Chai! Then you go to listen to one cool high life music for the background. Then as I flex and finish, if I perish, I perish. Chai! God, this life, sha. I wish now $10 just bomb me now. Now be say life don't set with that. I'll just go meet him, make it give me all my inheritance. As he just give me like this, I'll just go sell all of them. Then I'll just use all the money to go buy correct hoya beans. Chai! All those beans where they make pete like homomo shit. Kai! All those beans where they say if you drill the oil, it don't reach you to go open refinery. Kai! That one now, I'll just follow on with correct soft agege bread. Chai! All those bread where they use butter, they humiliate. Chai! That kind of bread they say, as you tear like this, it goes stretch like person wait till they wake up for money. Kai! That one now, how you wash her down with one cold Percy. As I drink and finish, if I perish, I perish. God, this life, sha. I wish I may get that kind of power where Jesus get. They turn water into wine. God! Now be say life don't set with that. I'll just turn all this water where they inside this swimming pool into one kind of cold Percy. Those kind of Percy where they cold like dead body. Those kind of Percy where they say inside hold up, where block the day inside. Where they say as you just open and small, the thing will just feel his. Like a Percy where say as you just open and finish, the thing will just begin vomit. Kai! As they vomit like this, you just your mouth stop and then you go suck on inside. Then that one now, I'll just follow with two soft gala. Kai! Those kind of gala where they soft like Regina Daniel's body. Then as I flex and finish, if I perish, I perish. God, this life, sha. I wish Davido if he just give me like 2 million naira, where you know they use again from a 30 billion. Maybe the money don't old, he don't tire am. Never say life don't set with that. I just go buy a correct Nkwobi. You know those kind of Nkwobi where they say when they arrange them, the thing go high like the Tower of Babel. But when you shop like 2 meat inside, the thing go fall like the Wall of Jericho. All those kind of Nkwobi when they slice fresh all your top, take decorator. Then they'll go slice fresh food test your top. The thing will come begin green like Globacom. You can make all the meat they lie down in green pastures. That kind of one now, how you wash them down with one cold Percy. As I flex and finish, if I perish, I perish. God, this life, sha. I wish as I just dip hand inside this pocket now, I just see 4 million naira inside. Maybe the last time I wear the trouser, I just forget her inside, I don't know. Never say life don't set with that. I'll just go invest the money. I'll invest her for one kind of correct catfish barbecue. You know those kind of catfish now? People say as you kill her like this, you go cut the body small. The catfish will go get tribal mark like all those Igala people. Then you go rub her loyalty oil for the body like person when newly possessed, wake up for deliverance. Then you go sprinkle some Cameroon pepper on top, make body pepper. Then you go rub salt for the body like Lot's wife. Then after you roast and finish, you go pour tomato sauce for the body like boy we go see get where mama no like. Then after that one, you wedge with some potato and cabbage, make the thing no raw for. Then you just wash it down with one cold Percy. As I flex and finish, if I perish, I perish.